You're a salsa beginner?
And you want to learn more moves?
In order to become a better dancer? Hello guys!
Hello!
In this video we're gonna talk about how many salsa moves do you need?
Especially as a salsa beginner.
Yes, because I think that everybody was in that situation that as a salsa beginner you're looking for more new, nice salsa moves in order to feel more secure on the dance floor.
Or to dance the whole song without any repetitions.
Exactly. We have one advice for you. It's not about salsa moves. It's about celebration.
But what do we mean with that?
We will show you two dances.
And the first dance is with many patterns and many salsa moves, but without any styling or any taste.
Exactly. And the second dance, it's maybe with only 5 salsa moves or less, I don't know. We'll see. With the taste of the salsa. So, and with the celebration of the basics.
And you guys can decide which dance you would like the most.
Yes. Dance, so feel it, man. Let's do it. big difference between the first and the second one? What was the difference? Celebration and styling and the taste, right? But what do you need for that?
The first thing is you need the right foundation. So learn your basics.
Really important. If you don't know the basics, check it out on Udemy. There we are teaching you the foundation.
Number 2 is self-confidence.
If you have no self-confidence, you look like this. That's not good. You look like this, you know? So, someone with self-confidence look like that. The shoulders going up, you know? Like this, like a hero. Maybe we'll also do a video with about self-confidence, but because this is more than 50%, believe me. If we bring that all together, foundation, self-confidence, you will get your own style and you will celebrate your basics.
Remember, it's not about quantity, it's about quality.
Exactly. Bring your own taste into your salsa.
Yes.
It will bring you joy. It will bring you so much more. So, yes. And write us in the comment, which dance do you like the most? The first or the second one? The one with a lot of pasta or the one with more flavor? So, because spaghetti is not always spaghetti, you know? Thanks for watching. Give us a thumb up and give us a thumb up and
See you next time.
see you next time.
Dance.
To feel it.
Especially a salsa beginner.
And especially, yeah.
Dance.
To feel it.
Ich wollte mich jetzt gerade anlehnen. Das ist nochmal machen.
So,
guys, remember, it's not about quality, it's about quantity.
yes. Wrong.
Oh.
Das kommt auf jeden Fall in Mistakes rein. Okay, let's do it.
Warte, quality zuerst, ne? Nein,
Remember,
it's not about it's
quantity.
not about quantity, it's about okay. So guys, remember, it's not about quantity. So guys, remember, it's not about quantity. Scheiße. Nochmal. Quantity and then quality. Okay.
Remember.
Maybe you want to have a dance without
Any repetitions.
Warte, quality zuerst, ne?
Remember.
It's not about
quantity.
not about quantity, it's about okay. So guys.
So,